Daniel Lugar. I'm the executive director and founder of the TouchPad Pro Foundation. And I invented this. I was a teacher for many years, so I taught all types of different kids, but then I taught blind kids for a long time. And that gave me the idea to teach, how to teach them at home or anywhere where they could learn Braille just by taking this out of the box and starting. So the balls come up with this magnetic stylus, where you push them back down with your finger. So you push them back down like that, and then you do one, and nothing else comes up. So this is A, and the number 1, and it is teaching you. A is dot 1. You can't do 3, 4, 5, or 6, so you have to copy it here. But see, I make a mistake. But I push it back down. Now I got it equal. And this is what it really feels like. That's what the A feels like. So B, B, C, C. Oh, there's one mistake. I push it down. I'm good. Okay? And down here is the alphabet. So you feel the whole alphabet. And this is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And this is for drawing, or you can do all kinds of different things. And we have stencils that go on. So you could learn about different stencils. You can put Braille on it, so you could do lots of sentences. Really important to go from letters to words to sentences. And there's really nothing else that does this. There's nothing else that you can make graphs with it. So even advanced graphs, like for high school, college, you know. So it's really taking off now. It's really going pretty well, and we want to spread it around the world. Love it. The energy and the people are so nice. I came all the way from New York. People ask me why, because I love India, and also there is such a need here for things like this, you know, where we could give hundreds out to people, you know. That's what we need. We need people to be able to donate things to lots and lots of people so they could take it home. Most blind people, like 90% of blind people, 98, don't read and write. They can't read and write. So how can they get jobs and go ahead and different things? If we teach them to read and write, we give them power, you know? If we give them STEM, we give them power, you know? So that's to empower people, right?